Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this brown color fancy sari. This one actually I got it from Nellore, and I'm going to reveal the price only at the end of my video. As you see here, this is the border that they have given, the entire border that they have given the same design. And overall the sari is plain, brown color. The sari is all plain. The main reason that I love this sari is because of the pallu, and then the work that they have given is like really excellent and amazing. And on top of it also they have attached this brown color pearls kind of thing all over the sari. And this is the thing, this one is like flowing all over the pallu of the sari, which is very elegant and beautiful. This one is a brand new sari. I did not wear this sari yet. I know brown, usually I don't have many of brown colors, so for the border that they have given just a small piping all over the sari, they have given this. Like I mentioned, it's a new sari. I didn't even take the blouse from this sari, so this is the blouse that they have given. Very plain color, just the plain brown border at the end. But I'm not planning to stitch this blouse because the sari, like I mentioned, it's all like a really dark color. In order to light this sari color, you have to mix and match with a light color tone of blouses. So that's why I'm going to share with you all the light color tone blouses that I matched for this sari. Stay tuned until the end of my video so that you can see all the blouse designs and everything. So this is the first blouse that I've selected here. Very elegant of the sari, meaning like subtle the color by adding a very plain white color design with an elegant design on top of the blouse. So this is the one, and I've asked them to stitch a brown color piping at the end so that it can match to the sari very well. So this is the first blouse that I have selected. So it's complementing each other, like the sari and blouse. So that's why I love this sari. Very nice, very nice design and everything here. And now let's move on to the second one. The second one also I have selected in the same designer pattern. I know you can think, why is Shilpa matching the gray color or black color to the brown? It does match because it has this white tone, and nowadays this is the pattern that's in trend now. And for this, as you notice, I've selected a very simple design at the back. This is the design that I got, and I love 3/4 sleeves or long sleeves, so that's why I always like to mix and match with the saris and blouses with the long sleeves and all that. So this is the second blouse that I've selected. As you see here, this is also like complementing the blouse with the sari. So these are the two different blouses. Subscribers, let me know which one you like. And moving on to the third one, which I've shared in my recent videos. This one is also like brown. I always tell in my kurti videos also, brown always matches very well with the light cream color. So that's one of the reason I've selected. Also for these hands we got the floral pattern, and as you see, even for the pallu we got the floral pattern, and also the neck design that we have selected here, and also the border is elegantly matching with the sari that we have selected today. So that's what I was thinking, like all three blouses will match perfectly. Subscribers, let me know what you all think, which one will be a perfect match to this sari. And as you see here, even for the hands also I've selected the same border that we got for the neck. Now let's move on to the jewelry. So like I said earlier, since the sari is in dark color, I'm just trying to mix and match with the light subtle color tones here. This is one of my favorite necklace, which I got it from Shilpa Ramam for around 420 rupees, and we can wear it both backside and front side. It matches very well to the entire look, and this is the second one that I have designed here. And the reason why I have selected this is like as you see here, I perfectly try to match it with the blouse that we have selected today, along with the sari design that we have. So that's the reason I've selected this kind of pendant here. And also, in order to make the colors look lighter, I have added this silver color tone design here, and the pattern is also matching perfectly with the blouse that we have here. Friends, let me know what you all think. Now let's move on to the third one that I've selected today. So I'm just selecting, I have all these kinds of different jewelry, so I'm just like, you know, trying to mix and match. This one is just like, all I did was just like, you know, put all beads together. So this is one of a kind, like you know, different sizes you'll have, so you'll get that zigzag pattern, and it matched perfectly. Now let's move on to the earrings. The first earrings that I've selected is like this rose gold ones. Since the sari is brown, and this rose gold is matching perfectly because you know, the shiny and everything is matching perfectly here, the design and all that. And this is the second earrings that I've selected. These ones I've shared in my previous videos. It can match to any tops, western wear, and since you have pearls here, it matched perfectly. And also to the necklace that I got from Shilpa Ramam, this earrings will match perfectly. So moving on to the third one, I've selected this beaded earrings here. The main reason is just to settle the colors that we have for the sari, and also it can match to the blouses that I've shared today. Friends, let me know how you like these earrings. Now let's move on to the fourth earrings. The main reason that I've selected these pearl earrings, pearl is always my favorite, and also on top of it, it will lighter the shades that we have here because the sari is in little darker color today. And also, if you notice, the pallu also has little beads and everything, so it matched perfectly. Now this is the bracelet that I've selected. This one we can also call it as kada. It matched very well to the sari blouses that we have selected, and also for the necklace that I've shared earlier, the Shilpa Ramam necklace, it will match perfectly. Now the second bracelet or the bangle that I've selected, I was like trying to mix and match bracelet and bangle here, which matched perfectly, and also it can match to the pearl necklace that I've shared earlier today. And the third one, this is the kada that I'm sharing, again just to get an idea of how to mix and match. And moving on to the price of this sari, the price of this sari is 2100 rupees. Like I mentioned earlier, I got this from Nellore, and all it said was fancy sari, so I'm not sure about the sari material, but I did love the sari. This is one of a kind, very unique sari, and I like to mix and match with lighter tones. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you see in this video, I have tried to give mix and match ideas, how to, you know, settle the sari color by adding, you know, lighter shades if the sari is dark, and you know, all these kinds of mix and match ideas, different jewelry, handmade jewelry and all that. If you like this video, please do subscribe so that you can see my latest videos of all mix and match ideas. So that's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.